Myanmar's a very good side. They're very well coached, very disciplined. They play a similar formation to us. The coach has been with them for the last 8 years. He is somebody I respect, and they gave us a torrid time in Myanmar. It's a game that they need to get some points from, so I don't think they're going to be a walkover. I don't think any of our games are going to be walkovers until we've actually done it. So I expect a very difficult game tomorrow. We have started already to prepare for the Asian Cup. That starts with the game tomorrow. So players are playing for their positions, they're playing for their futures. It doesn't end here, it just starts a different cycle.
We had a chat and we thought we were going to take one game at a time. He never spoke about when we were going to qualify and which game we were going to qualify. The mantra was very clear from him to the whole team that we're going to take one game at a time. If you ask me, did I think then we're going to win 4 games back to back? I would be honest, no. We worked really hard, especially the first 2 games. To win those 2 games gave us a very good platform, a very good setup for where we are today. And as a team, every one of us, right from our head coach to the ball boy, everyone has worked really hard. But we didn't think we were going to qualify in just 4 games because it's a very tough group. Tomorrow you're going to see how tough Myanmar is.
Unfortunately, the better team lost. It was the wrong result. That is football. So for us, we come here not to lose the game. That is important, even if it is not that crucial match. The crucial match comes against Kyrgyzstan. There we have to win. Here we come to play good football, to show that we are a good team, and if possible to take some points. It's good to have the points. India is qualified already.